Hello friends, today we gonna see how can we reset or our existing remote is not working and how can we reset it or reconnect it. Now see, this is my remote and so battery is inside and you can see here. As you can see, this is have a look, not working at all. Okay, light is coming, sometimes light also doesn't come. So at that time, what steps you should follow, I will show you in this video. In this case, now we have to use our TV remote. Sometimes your TV remote if doesn't work, then you can also do one thing, that if your Fire TV stick and mobile is connected with same Wi-Fi, so you can use your Fire TV remote app on your mobile and do the same thing. So that will be also one another step. You can see I can operate through my TV remote. See, so I'll have to go to the setting. This is the setting. I'll have to go in that. We have to come down. We have to go to remote and Bluetooth devices, and here you will find Amazon Fire TV remotes. Just press OK on that Amazon Fire TV remotes. You will see, sometime you will see it is offline. Okay, and you have to choose add new remote, and we are operating through TV remote. Have a look, we are operating through TV remote. So now what we'll do, you have to select OK to add new remote. So here it is showing me press and hold. Now we will take our Fire TV stick remote, and what does it showing us? It's showing me this icon. Press and hold this icon for 10 seconds. 1 2 3 go. See, in few seconds you will find one Fire TV remote ready to pair. So now what will we do? When we press OK, but it will not work because it's not connected, right? So what will we do? We will press OK through TV remote. See, so now you can see here Amazon TV stick is battery is okay, and all this serial number and everything is there, you can see there. So now we will take this remote and we will check whether does this work or no. See, it's working fine. You can operate it properly. Okay, it is working.
Hello friends,
see,
today we have
this is working. Okay,
Type-C connector, and today we gonna unbox. You can see here,
and this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys.